Okay, I'm going to go over theme. So I'm going to be reading a little folk tale. I know this is a very short book, but it's just short and sweet. It's called The Three Gruffs, retold by Andrew Goldberger. Okay, The Three Gruffs. So this is the title page because it's basically repeating the title in a page. The title page. Three Gruffs lived on a cliff. The Gruffs loved grass. Yum, yum. But the grass is on a hill. The Gruffs must pass Troll to get it. There's Troll. And based on his face, he already looks like he's perhaps not the nicest. One Gruff runs up to Troll. Clip, clop, clip, clop. Stop, says Troll. I will make you my lunch. Yum, yum. I am small, says Gruff. Wait for a big Gruff. I will, says Troll. You can pass. One Gruff is on the hill, so he made it across. And we've got 2 more to go. The next Gruff runs up, clip, clop, clip, clop. Stop, says Troll. I will make you my lunch. Yum, yum. But I am thin, says Gruff. Wait for a fat Gruff. I will, says Troll. You can pass. 2 Gruffs are on a hill. Then Big Gruff runs up. You are big and fat. I will make you my lunch, says Troll. You will not, says Big Gruff. Up, up, up goes Troll into the water. At last, the 3 Gruffs could get to the grass. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so the 3 Gruffs. What is the life lesson or moral in the story? So basically you're going to, after you read the book, it kind of just leaves you pondering, what did I learn about it? What was the story about as far as the big, life lesson that it taught, that it teaches? So this one was definitely about bullying and how one should not bully, right? So maybe you could say one should not bully. Okay, that would be the theme there. Let me highlight it. Okay, and then who was the trickster? Who were the ones playing the trick in the story? Remember, when we have a folk tale or traditional literature and there is usually theme involved, somebody usually gets tricked. Somebody is usually the one who tricks the others. So in this case, it was the 3 Gruffs, the 3 goats, right? So let me squeeze it in here. The three Gruffs plotted to trick him, okay? So I wrote 3. The 3 Gruffs were the tricksters. Sometimes it's only one person, but in this case it was 3. The 3 Gruffs were the tricksters. So a trickster is the character who fools or tricks another character in the story. Here it was the 3 Gruffs. And so we know good guy, bad guy. Protagonist is always the good guy. And antagonist is always the bad guy. Okay, pro is thumbs up, right? And anti, when you're against something, you're anti. So you're anti the bad guy. So protagonist, good guy, antagonist, bad guy. Here, the protagonists were all the 3 Gruffs. Well, all 3 Gruffs. And the antagonist here, the bad guy causing the problem in the story, was the troll. Was the bad guy, was the antagonist. And so what conflict that these little goats face, what was the conflict? Was it character versus society, character versus self? Was there a problem within themselves, character versus nature? Or was it character versus character? And in this case, because they're all animals, we're just going to say it's character versus the gruff, which is another character. So it would be character versus character. So the gruffs versus the character. Okay. And that is it.